All right, warm-up run. All right, we'll hit the green back to the chairlift.
Right now?
Yeah, so go down and then right. I mean left. But I'm gonna go around to do that scenic route. Just because I like going around here. Good part of the warm-up. Problem is, when you go around here, you got to be careful. This is a very beginner area. There's two beginner hills here, the Gentle Bend and... Oh, Gentle Bend's closed. So I'm going to be bringing her around town. I'm going to thread the needle between these guys. And then... going down this green over here. Yeah. Oh, I missed this. Oh, don't get me wrong, I love wakeboarding. Skiing is like a whole new thing. My little brother's finally starting to get good. He's always beating me down here now. I think it's his new boots. Opa! Oh no, I did beat him. Yeah. God damn it. GoPro, stop recording.